Hi there, welcome once again, and this is the time for learning curves in Adobe Photoshop. So what is curves in Adobe Photoshop? Curves mainly using for making adjustment of brightness and contrast. So if you want to make some adjustment in any image, then you have to use the curves tool. So you can take a look, this is an image from our exercise file, and you can take a look, we don't have the actual brightness and contrast in this image, and this image is taken from drone camera and it's an image of seaside, and we have the number of trees over here, and here is the water of seas. But you can take a look, we don't have the actual brightness and contrast. Even the color of trees seems black, but it should be green color, and we are going to fix it. So let's take a look at how this image will look after applying curves in this image. So let me turn on the curves one layer. Okay, cool. You can take a look, we have the proper brightness and contrast in here, and we got the green color for our trees, we got the blue color for our water, and we have a good combination of brightness and contrast. So let's take a look how it will apply curves in any image in Adobe Photoshop. Right now we have to open our exercise file. So here is the file menu and here is the open option. Okay, so inside the color adjustment folder you will get this curves image. You just have to select it and then you have to click open. Okay, this is our image, and you can take a look, we don't have the proper brightness, we don't have the proper contrast in here. Even we don't have the actual color of trees as well. The color of trees should be green, but we have the black color instead of green. We don't have the proper watercolor here, and we are going to fix all these things using curves. So where you will get the curves? You will get the curves inside the adjustments panel. So here is the adjustments panel, and inside the adjustments panel you will get this curves option. So let me click on here, and this is the properties of curves. So you can take a look, this is a line and it's called the curves line, and if you want to increase or decrease the brightness or contrast, then you have to work with this line. Okay, so let me show you how it will increase the contrast. You just have to move this line. So let me pull it at up. Okay, you can take a look, we have some brightness in here and we have a keyframe over here. But if you want to add another keyframe, and if you want to move the lower part of this curved line, then you have to place your mouse on the line and you have to move over here. Okay, we got some little green color in our trees, and let's move the upper part and let's add another keyframe in here. Okay, cool. So right now we have some good brightness and contrast in this image, and if you turn off this curves one layer, then you can compare between before and after. So let me turn off the curves one layer. Here is the before and here is the after. Okay, but we don't have the actual green color for these trees, we don't have the actual watercolor yet, so we have to do that. We have to bring the actual green color for here, and therefore we have to select this RGB option. And if you click on this RGB option, you will get red, green and blues for different color option. So we want to increase the green color, so therefore I have to select this green option, and this is the green curves line. So let me increase the green line over here, and let me add a little bit here. Okay, right now we have the proper green color, but if you compare between before and after, we have some hard grain effect right now, so we have to change it and we have to bring the proper blue color for the water. So therefore we have to select the grain option and we have to go for blue option. So let me select this blue option and let's increase the blue a little bit more. Okay, and let me add another keyframe over here, and let me add another at top. Okay, right now we have 3 different keyframe and we have some perfect adjustment of this image. So you can take a look, we got some proper green color for our trees, we got some proper blue color for the seawater, and we have the perfect RGB color effect for the brightness and contrast. So let's compare between before and after, and you will have a huge difference between before and after. So let me turn it off, this curves one layer. Here is the before and here is the after, and you can take a look, we really have a good combination of green color, we really have the good combination of blue color, and we really have a good combination of brightness and contrast. So this is how you will fix any image using curves in Adobe Photoshop.